stop.
I will not stop.
Oh boy.
Ah, baby. Ah, baby.
Hey, stop that. Who the?
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, Jesus. What's it with that?
Ah, baby.
Eh?
I don't dare my friend.
Jesus.
Hey!
What's up, my people? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Of course, you know what I do here, comedy reaction 100%. So what you have to do for me is to make sure you watch these videos to the very end. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the perfect opportunity. Subscribe, share this video. I want to have at least 100 likes on this video. So my guys, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
What in be this? When they here before see the airline. This guy they give
What did she shake? She shake breast for us. What's the this one?
Who are you?
There is one guy that beats me up.
One guy.
Yes, someone there.
One guy beat you.
Yes.
You don't tell him what.
Oh God.
Come on. Who you want to go fight?
I will finish him. Who him beat?
That is it.
Jesus!
Wait, don't run. This guy don't get sense.
Move, man.
Bunny face. Bunny face.
Help! Emma!
Jesus!
Emma!
What's
What
up?
do you all these things? Help! Boniface! How you going to use do all these things now? I remember.
Now see, one of the video for online. I can't tell everything they do. That's why I see myself for you.
Cheya, Mama, which kind of wahala be this?
No, Boniface do.
You go do a thing Bunny face do for you. You know why?
Madam! Papa boy, who there?
Namide.
Hello, madam.
Sabinus. I just they hear madam from inside.
Not be you are the cousins. You the hear am now you no come out. You know say me and you get appointment. Why they do like this?
I mean they do something inside, no vex.
Not be so now. How we go do the matter? Make we know what they do.
About that land, Abi.
Hey, madam. What in they do?
They shit.
Ha! Hello, madam.
Oh.
God
Sabinus,
forbid.
You know if you get sense again for this life.
Madam, do pass the person they wait you now. Come now.
For this life, you know if you get sense
Madam,
again.
stop that. Are you okay?
Now you man shit rubber be that. He done the shit for this shit rubber since.
Madam, tell me it's a lie. Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
You don't think I drink Gary now. This guy don't get sense again. Don't you want to tell me?
Buy your UK used phone here.
Oga, you dey sell phones here?
Madam, see me, oh, I dey sell phones here. I say make I come out for this new street this morning.
My phone
Make I
is
see
dey
whether
sell.
God will bless me here.
Oga, have you heard of Honest Bet?
One bet. Madam, one bet na my everyday activities. In fact, if I not do one bet, I think by. They even give a lot of prizes now for anybody who bet on FC Barcelona matches. Just register on one bet with my promo code YLIGHT300 and they go give you 300% bonus on your first deposit. And you go press the take part button on the offer page one time accelerate. They play. You go also collect tickets and win valuable prizes. After they talk to you like this, 7 stages draw day. You dey get? And more than 50 people go win for each prize draw. You dey understand me now? So no miss your chance. So, madam, as I dey talk to you so, now inside that day they work am.
Hey!
So go click on the link on my bio now and register. No waste time.
Hey, no problem. Now make I go play my own.
Don't forget say I dey sell phones oh. If you win finish, come back. No wahala.
Body, oh. Bye.
No. I can't play my.
This guy, you know if you get
Buy your phones, yeah. Buy your phones, yeah.
Dissolve! You know if you get sense again.
Jesus.
Where my phones? Bros, excuse me. I beg no vessel. You get one woman wey won't follow me by phone now. But as she just come out, all my phones just follow and come out. I beg, you know where she pass? She wear black.
Bro, you get mad though. You dey sell food for this street. You know there's no thief for this street. Anyways, you get one man when you run for front, you wear black. Last your bag. Now she has black na carry the phone portion.
Okay, thank you, bros. Thank you.
Before you come back, even your chair, you don't go see again. That one show me.
Jesus.
Now phone dey important fast. Go find who carry your phone. Now that one dey important fast. You know if you get sense again, no worry.
Very soon, level will change.
Ah, baby,
I
stop.
will not stop.
Ah, baby. Ah, baby.
Hey, son that. Who the Zuzu?
Who the Zuzu? Don't quit.
God have mercy upon us.
What is that?
Ah, baby.
Don't die, my friend.
You don't really die, don't turn him.
The gods are wise.
The gods are wise. They're truly wise.
Man, no believe say this blind date go work. You are looking so pretty.
Don't play.
Are you shy? Just so you don't want to say anything. Be free, oh.
No, I just want to get high first.
You need to get high. No, Alana. You like alcohol, have you?
No.
Okay. Do you like molly? Do you like molly?
Why did you disturb me now? This I carry my blind date. My Parry Post now, I don't tell you, register with Parry Post and use my promo code. They will give you 150,000 naira welcome bonus instantly. Just help me arrange that room here at the corner.
Dangerous boy.
Sorry about that, yeah. So you said you don't like molly. Okay, do you want Canadian land?
Boss. Sadawo, I have a Kolos, boss.
Kolos? No, the picture.
2 bags.
Hey! Who are you? Kolos, 2 bags, sir.
Jesus.
Months down.
Let's say they met her. I tell you how they date on money. Hey! No one I enjoy.
Don't hear me. If you see me, you have me for front like this.
So what are they saying now? What are they saying? Listen to me. Stop all this nonsense you're doing. For how long are we going to be having this conversation? What I am saying right now is, sorry, hold on a second. What is wrong with you? Are you stupid? Are you bring 2 glasses. I have a guest coming. Am I going to give them a drink from my hand? Are you? My friend, go inside and get me more glasses.
Keep on go bring glass now.
Fool.
Jesus.
Sorry about that, Chief. Oh, that's fine. So what I'm trying to explain to you right now is, you're telling me right now that if I get my lawyers on board, we're going to sign that deal for $2 million.
You need to make
so tell me if we can get that done right away, and I'm going to get them. We have a good. Yes. No. I'll call you back. I'm going to call you back. Yes. I just had a contract for $2 million. Listen, I was just a friend of mine. They were supposed to be here to join me in celebration, but guess what? You beat them to it. You see, one thing I know for a fact is this: in life, when celebration come, accept it. And guess what? Today's your lucky day. You're gonna join me in this enjoyment. Thank you. Cheers with me. Hey! Now, as a matter of fact, I have plans for you. You're gonna get promotion. You don't know what this money is gonna do for you. Drink with me. Are you not happy for me? Drink with me. Let's celebrate together.
You don't go drink with tea, poison.
Pour me some more. Let me even send you the money.
Mumu.
What? I don't know.
You don't go poison himself.
You see, when I
press it on that.
God be for me and you.
He don't poison himself.
Who got that man?
Come on. That's how you die, you.
Solo.
This guy doesn't get sense again for this man.
The game is still on.
The game is still on.
Jesus.
Anything, any bro, I be.
What's going on?
Is born hating another person because of the color to hate. They can be taught to love, for love comes more natural.
Cinema, we don't drop them. We the lead that TD2.
It's time for all of us to remember that we are one people, and that whether we are black or brown or white, we all bleed the same red blood of patriots.
It's not like cultism now.
This one be a beg.
I don't know one. No,
Do not join anything.
I don't know one. No,
Now you follow Scorpion Waka.
Osasa my classmate.
Osasa your classmate.
Yes, I beg.
You follow.
Una leave her now. Wetin dey happen? Leave her. Una you dey make people up and down for Bini. You dey hot now. Una dey set am on fire. Una don't forget say all these people una dey peso. Na people husband, people brothers, people friend. Wetin dey happen? Una don't forget say we be one Nigeria, one Bini blood that we be. We no dey fight ourselves. Because of una investors, no they come Bini, come invest in Bini again. They fear to come Bini. Before by this kind time, all those our children when they obodo Igbo abroad, they don't come Christmas back. Go they hot anyhow. But not fear, no they let them come again. No. Okay now, if they ask you, wait till they make una the quarrel.
Mama will not know. We want to say may they go down. This one will follow.
You know who know what they cause una the fight. Yet una don't turn many women to widow at a very, very young age. If people offend you, you go say sorry. Now mad they say they apologize, they go forgive. But now not be mad to not say they apologize again, no.
Mama, what you talk is not truth. Now will make us leave this quarrel. Alpha, stand up.
Created mankind to love each other.
I don't know what to happen for Bini. You guys just fight yourself. Please stop the killing in Bini. They just fight yourself. I wouldn't understand why.
What do you call you not tell me?
That be my ex.
Your ex?
Yes.
What happened?
Because you know my address. Now every time you go, they come my house without calling me.
Call her, be your brother. Call her, be your brother.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, babe, I'm sorry. Don't worry, I won't touch you again.
Are you sure?
Yes, babe. Babe, where are you?
I'm at my brother's place.
Hey! Oh, can I come there?
Okay, I'll send you the address now.
Okay.
I do want to carry you.
Jesus.
Mommy, see you.
Babe, I thought I begged you. Hi. Who's this guy?
He's my younger brother.
Why does he look older?
Yeah, he's the one that has been hustling to take care of the family.
I love guys like that. Don't worry, you will also get a G-guard one day.
Amen, inshallah.
Clear. Alright now, babe, let's go.
See, my sister won't go meet my grandma for village, nowhere.
Hey! Babe, your grandma is nowhere and you didn't tell me.
It's because we're fighting.
Hey! Okay. Let me send something for grandma.
Okay.
The account number?
218 44.
Take us bank.
What bank?
Take us bank.
Take us bank, I know.
You might go for man.
Oh yeah, blast.
Blast, eh? That's what you say for grandma.
Yes.
This expectation of grandma where I go beat you.
No problem. Okay now, Johnny Messi.
Amen, inshallah.
If grandma where I go beat you.
I dey hot for the season.
Hey now.
We are go like for you. We are coming out easy.
Big two.
Hello, babe. Yes, I'm at home. Oh, okay, you are coming with your friends. What did they try to do? Okay, no problem. Two of them. Yes, you can come. Half a blow. Oh, my babe, they come with two of your friends. Are you all giving a 1-1?
It's just too sharp. Yeah, me, I not deal with two man. I just enjoy that thing I day alone. I don't want any woman like this.
Nice, babe.
Half a blow. Happy. Baby say this your guy not the like the woman.
I don't know. I never say woman also. You don't say woman. They're gonna blush. It's so small. This guy. Why they want to go now? Now maybe say I want to win. Now I find the best they go abi. Now be really black Jesus.
they see the economy.
Now you know one woman. I used to go first in carry woman.
Yeah. Guess what, the carry woman? This guy look us less, post me to our face. No worry. Very soon go, they want to come and they regret.
Good.
Come on, baby.
This guy look us less, post me to our face.
Fire go shave your man. Are you a girl?
What kind of question is that? Why are you asking that kind of question?
Because I'm not seeing anything. Are you sure you can handle me?
Wow. I would lie for you.
Wait. Into is small.
Things are going to win you 1-0. What's wrong with you? They know they free, they follow husband in challenge. I think it's going to win now. Now 2-0. Before my hand go down.
Now game with the play now.
That game with the play now you fall your husband hand go down. Husband will pay your dowry, you fall your hand go down.
No be game on the play.
You use the win me since now. I don't win now, you won't pull up the ball.
So you fall my hand go down, you tell me they win you since, Abi?
You know they win me since.
I'll call your papa.
Oh yeah.
I'll call your papa. The first man go down. I'll call your papa. No, I'll call your papa.
Small play, you don't call papa. This guy knows something.
No struggle. Short man on the moon. You call you see one go. The four man. I'll be your husband. The fourth man.
This guy no get sense.
You know who they wait for here now? Eh? You say make I escort you come somewhere. You don't even tell me I escort you come to. What are you waiting for?
Just calm down, just pray, just calm down, just pray for me. Good afternoon, sir. That's true. Congratulations. Your visa is ready. You can now start making preparations to travel. No problem, sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
What's happening? What is this?
Where they go? Before they say what they making us, where they go? So finally, UK, bro.
God don't do it for you. How many years now?
More than 3-4 years now, bro. I don't find this thing tired. Finally, it's here. In it. Hey, God. So many guys in it. I go use it to finish you now.
You don't
show me the visa, sir. Show me the visa.
Handle with care. Handle with care.
Show me the visa.
Handle with care. See how now, the crystal. Hell.
God. The villager remember me, oh.
Remember
me, oh.
I'm gonna send you some few pounds. We'll go talk now. Give me my visa now. You want me to live my life, save my life. Now you also give me my visa.
Oh, collect it, I beg.
Give me my visa.
Collect it, busybody.
Festus, where's my visa?
There for there, now be that now.
So what's in there?
Hey! Is that? Master, wait.
No, don't tell me that what's in the thing. See what's in the thing inside this now. I'm not going to buy things, the pack small.
I say God don't do that for you.
Anything next 2 months, I don't want to. Just go do everything one day.
It's not possible.
1, 2, 3, fight it!
This guy don't get sense. And they don't carry the dustbin come out.
Yeah, what's not that they find for there?
Madam, I beg. Where your dustbin were they here?
I don't send my pikin, make him carry and go throw away for borrow pit.
Borrow
pit.
I don't dare my fans.
When I enter inside, now where they go bury you now? Hey, where you want for start?
There is God. God should descend to the God.
This guy don't get sense. You really mumu.
Hands up! You go be that for any. Anything you say here will be used against you in the court of law. Go say boss land your law. Oh, the razor team war. Go dirty OPC. Oh, for the brook, we will be more my pay.
gbogbo nǹkan tó bá nínú ilé pátá ní kókó jáde. àti tó ní táwọn ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ kó fún wọn. asabu
kò sí kankan nulẹ̀ yìí.
o fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé kò sówó nulẹ̀. òun wà ní mi. kí wàá lo ní.
ti sì ló wà lọ́wọ́ mi.
gbogbo bí ti tiẹ̀ gbogbo ETH yẹ a máa lọ trade lọ́dọ̀ Oriental Group because they are very trustworthy and reliable.
You carry your gun give am.
SIM card a trade yẹ tó bá ní vanilla a trade yẹ kò sí gift card tó ní ọ̀dọ̀ Oriental Group láti trade gbogbo ẹ̀. má bá bọ̀.
kí ni second bọ́sẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mú wá fún mi.
kí ló ti kùtọ̀ nínú ilé.
àwa ni o.
Jesus.
ṣé àwọn ará ètùtù rẹ rè.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn ni bàbá.
ẹ mọ̀ yẹ kí n kúrọ́ tẹ̀lé o lè ní wá.
níbo a ti sọ́kò dànù.
ayi ọtí ẹ ti da o ti da.
wàá fojú ọlọ́jọ́ lọ ta ni.
ebi a fẹ́ gbé obì sí.
mo tún bí bèjì.
obì ti hù bẹ́ẹ̀ ká tún díẹ̀ sí lókun. kò ní fertilizer.
kò ní wú. ọmọ ọmọ náà wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ lọ.
gbèsè dé. ọjọ́ tí ojú ọrọ̀ àtọ́jú bá ti fojú kojú lẹ̀ wò ojú bàjẹ́ ọjọ́ làgìdì bá fojú kàn yàgò kó ní datẹnu rẹ̀ lẹ̀ o domi ẹ bọ́.
má ti bí yanyin rẹ ẹ mọ nìkẹ́ mọ́wọ́ ẹ̀gbẹ́. ọlọ́run ṣeun àlá ni ọlọ́run ṣeun àlá ni.
God still dey on your neck o.
tọ́ndì ìbásáyà ni.
èmi ni lọ múra kó jẹ́ àlọ́ operation.
òun wà ní mi kó lè wá successful.
kó má wá successful.
kó lè wá successful.
kó lè má wá successful.
yé.
operation kan sọ́jú.
èmi tí ní bàbá èmi tí ní bàbá mọ́. ẹ kí mi.
Wahala, like these guys they no get sense. You shoot am. The thing I say you no go dey successful, you say you go dey successful. Anyway, thanks for watching to the very end. First and foremost, I want to ask a question. I intentionally left this very one for the last. You understand? The reason I did that was because I would like to know, this is Yoruba, you understand? So I would like to know if you really enjoyed this Yoruba one, because I actually put it there because I had everything they were saying, because I understand Yoruba, I speak Yoruba. So I would like you to drop in the comment section if you enjoyed that one. Should I make more of that, as in more of the Yoruba comedy or not? You understand? So just put it down there in the comment section, because there are so many of them. I see them, but sometimes I just say no, let me know, because people like say they're my fans, they're my subscribers, not ready to watch them. So I intentionally added this one into it to know what your reactions will be. So let me know in the comment section. You understand? So check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. If you're yet to subscribe, this is the perfect opportunity. Do that right away. See you in the next one. Peace out.